Good evening, friends. My name is Rushikesh Kothawde. I'm basically from sales field. I am from engineering background, and I'm attending this training with the intent of having a good financial freedom at my later stage or at my older age. This was my thought process before joining this training session. But now my goal has changed. Now I have a specific goal of making 3 crores in next 3 years from this business of stocks and trades, derivatives, commodities, whatever you say. How am I going to achieve it? The training which I have received from this particular session, I have only one word to say: it's awesome. It gives you the exact process of analyzing what would be my way of analyzing what script, what companies I'm going to choose to invest and get out the desired result from. With regards to the outcome which I've already desired, I am damn confident that I'm going to get it. And I give all this credit to my mentor, whose name is none other than Mr. Mohan Joshi. And I know him since almost like a decade now. But I was not that inclined to get into this business. It is all because of his persistently inviting me to getting into this business. Thank you.